waterfall. So I found this whenever I was a Boy Scout about 14 years old. It's on private property in the middle of nowhere. Nobody knows where this thing is. So this is our watering hole. Go ahead and show them what it looks like here. It's really beautiful. There we go. So we can have some fun and get Scarlett wet.
The thing I love the most is the dead dolphin.
Yeah, poor thing.
Poor guy.
If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way.
Right here, feet over that way, all right? Don't fall. I can't remember if I paid my insurance this month or not. Okay, your back is gonna be tall and you're gonna look over your shoulder back up at me, all right? You know, after seeing Mac Brown's waterfall, I had to come and build this one. So I called John Burroughs in California and he helped me build it out of foam.
True obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. You don't hear me? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one God-given ray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the 7 days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only leading hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for two and gain into your own vein? What a shame, you shoot and aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and aim to stay in time for falling prey to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself.